Welcome to our tutorial on managing your Telegram channels with the latest update. If you've been organizing your chats into folders but want to streamline your workspace, today we'll walk through the quick process of removing channels from a folder on the Telegram desktop app. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Look to the left-hand menu where your folders are listed. Find the folder containing the channels you want to remove, then right-click on its name. A menu will appear. Select Edit Folder to access its customization options. Inside the folder editor, you'll see a list of included chats and channels. Locate the Channels section. To remove all channels from this folder at once, click the X icon next to the Channels label. This action instantly clears every channel from the folder while keeping your chats and groups intact. Once you've removed the channels, click Save at the bottom of the editor to confirm your changes. Telegram will update the folder immediately, and you'll notice the channels no longer appear in that section. If you change your mind later, you can always re-add channels by editing the folder again and selecting them individually. This feature is perfect for users who want to maintain a clutter-free workspace or separate dynamic channel content from static conversations. Whether you're managing work projects, community groups, or personal chats, keeping your folders tailored to your needs ensures a smoother messaging experience. Remember, folders in Telegram are flexible. You can create, modify, or delete them anytime. The desktop app's intuitive design makes reorganizing your chats as simple as a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, let us know in the comments and don't forget to explore our other tutorials for more Telegram tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.